guys, today I'm showing y'all how to make a paperweight, and it's really fun and easy way to make it, and you can find stuff around your house. So the supplies you're going to need for this project are, you need Mod Podge, you need some rocks. I prefer bigger rocks so that they hold down your paper better, and you just need some strips of scrap fabric. So you're going to start by painting your entire rock with a good thick layer of Mod Podge. So now you're going to begin putting the strips of fabric on your rock, but make sure whenever you put the strip of fabric on, you place Mod Podge over it before you put another strip on.